Climate change and human activities accelerate the loss of biodiversity in marine habitats. If this trend continues, it will soon cause severe losses of important ecosystem services and cultural benefits. To conserve and actively restore the health of marine ecosystems and their commercial and cultural benefits, FutureMARES advanced the knowledge and implementation of nature-based solutions, or NBS. Our partners cooperated with regional stakeholders across and beyond Europe to provide science-based advice for climate change adaptation and mitigation using NBS. FutureMARES analyzed historic data to understand past trends in marine biodiversity. Field experiments indicate how different marine species react to climatic change. We developed different future scenarios of climate change and human responses, and used the latest modeling technology to generate maps of potential marine climate change hotspots and refugia. Based on this research, we created a novel climate risk assessment tool for NBS planning. Additionally, our partners investigated the economic costs and benefits of implementing NBS in different regions. Our results show alarming trends for the future. Implementing NBS and including them in marine spatial planning is vital. They can reduce climate risks across all species and regions, with positive effects on ecosystem goods and services. Our innovative models, new indicators of ecosystem health, and other NBS advancements build a strong foundation for planning marine protected areas in 30% of Europe's seas by 2030. FutureMARES provides science-based policy advice, contributing to national, European and global reports and policies that safeguard and restore marine biodiversity. Our commitment is to healthy future marine ecosystems. To learn how to use our results and products, visit our website or contact us directly.